So let me ask you a question. As a speaker, author, and coach, what are you doing to grow your list of ideal clients? Yes, like what are you doing to grow a list of booking managers or event planners who are looking for individuals to speak? Or maybe as an author, like what are you doing on a consistent basis to grow your list of people who are interested in your books and your services? Well, today I want to show you why capturing leads and converting leads with a Kajabi form is one of the most important things you should do in your speaking business. Welcome to this 30-day series with Kajabi. Hello, I'm Cantor Simmons, and welcome to Monetize, Scale, and Get Paid to Speak, 30-day series with Kajabi. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to capture, how to convert, leads with your Kajabi forms. Now, I believe every speaking business needs to have some TLC, right? Some 10 to 11 care. Actually, TLC stands for traffic, leads, and conversions. And I want to show you why, as a speaker, you want to make sure that as traffic is coming to your website, traffic is coming to your social media platforms, traffic is coming to anywhere traffic is coming to your business, that it's important to convert them over to a lead on your list that you can eventually do business with. All right, so I want to show you how we're going to do that inside my Kajabi platform. But like always, I want to make sure that if you want to walk through this with me, and you want to test drive Kajabi, hey, click the link down below or go to monetizeu.co/Kajabi. This is my own personal affiliate link. And when you choose to stay on with Kajabi, because I believe it's an amazing tool, I'm going to give you 3 bonuses. Bonus number 1, I'm going to give you access to my course called Your One Business Tool. Plus, I'm going to give you access to another course called Money Making Website. Yeah, I'm going to give you the foundations and the framework of a money making website, not only for your speaking business, for your authoring business, and even your coaching business. Give you all the templates. Plus, I want to give you access to money making content. This is where now I show you using these templates how you can create the content you need for your books, for your webinars, for your video series, for your challenges, and whatever that may be to grow your business. So, hey, click the link, go to monetizeu.co/Kajabi to be able to get access to Kajabi as I walk you through this process, and you're building this over the next 30 days, next 10 days, just taking action on this. All right. So let's talk about your forms, right? We talk about TLC, people coming, eyeballs coming to you, individuals that you bump into. Having a form on your website is absolutely important, and I want to show you how you can easily do that inside of Kajabi. As a matter of fact, let me come here, and this is a website I'm actually working on in real time. This is my colleague Kelly, and so Kelly's in the yoga space, and Kelly has some really cool stuff here. And when we click a button, all right, we'll click a button. This will go to a form. All right, it's still a work in progress. So Kelly has this a free guided meditation called Guided Meditation. And individuals can insert their name and email address to be able to get this free giveaway. Okay. This is something that you can easily do inside of Kajabi. Let me show you another example. I'm going to go over to my own personal website, right? And let's say a person comes to my website and they want to book me to speak. They can complete a form like this, which can now follow up with them. They can create a form, and by having this form, by completing this form, is now allowing me to do business. Okay. Here's another form. This is where people now can come here and get access to a free report that I have. And so one of the cool things that you want to do on every website on throughout your campaigns is have these forms in place so you can connect with people, follow up with them, and then also invite them to bring you in to speak, invite them to work with you, and invite them to purchase your books or enroll in your programs. So here's how we easily do this in Kajabi, right? So once we go over to Kajabi, under marketing, you're going to see forms. Okay, we're gonna click forms there. And then you can do a new form, you can do an old form. Let's say we do a new form. And of course, we want to title the form. All right. Grab, let's call it grab event planners. All right. That's just the name of the form. And then we can do an opt in settings. We can do a double opt in versus single opt in. I like using single opt in, and I'll explain to you why. Well, let me explain it now. Single opt in, where a person they enter their name and email address on your web page, and once they enter your name and email address on the web page, they're going to be redirected to another page. When we do double opt in, what a person has to do is say, "Hey, I want to confirm that I want access to this free thing," and Kajabi is going to send another email just to verify that they want to jump on this email list. All right. So I love first person emails, but I also love a single opt in where now people can easily come in to set that up. And then we can add some form fields here. We can do text, first name, and email, which is fine. But if I wanted to, I could also add telephone number. This way I could follow up with them. And I can create any segments of the form just based off of what's given here in Kajabi. Then we want to save this. Okay, we want to save this. And by default, this is going to look like this. It's a simple form. Enter your name, email address, phone number. But guess what? In Kajabi, we can go even further. We can now take this form and capture and convert leads. So let's say, for example, people wanted to come to this page. Bait, hook, and fish. Okay. So let's say this is a simple landing page. And then now what I want to do, I have this form here. And inside of Kajabi, we can just easily add new content. The content that we can add is form. All right, we can give that form a name. Because we already have a form in place, I'm going to show you how this form works already in place. So now we can have this form here. And then we can take the time to give it a headline. Say, hey, click here. Access to this free book. All right, we'll be super duper clear as far as your call to access and your commands. So now we have this set up. And as you can see over here in the main category, we were able to change the headline there. Hey, get started today before this once in a lifetime opportunity expires. All right, we'll stay with that. All right. Then by default, we have a name and email address. And actually, what we can do here, we can set up the form to be able to connect to any of the ideas we may have. So we want to connect this form to the one that we mentioned here, the bait one. And then we can select where we want the URL to go for the thank you page. But guess what? Now we can grab access to this Facebook or this free reel. All right, this should be free ebook. We can save that. And now that form is created. And when this form is created, what we can do, we can go to a thank you page, go to a specific page. We can go to a checkout page. We can go have the people download something. We can also lead people here to a URL. So at the end of the day, forms on whatever page, whether this person is booking you, whether you give away a freemium, whether you're doing a webinar, whether you're doing a Zoom, collecting emails is something that you want to do. All right, I highly recommend it. And maybe we'll talk more about this email strategy that I use. But the idea is that inside of Kajabi, there's one tool you can capture and you can convert leads into profiting in your speaking business. All right. So listen, if you have any questions about this, listen, you can easily go in and create forms all day long. And As you go through my website and other websites, you will see the forms there. And in Kajabi, you can do it all right there. A few clicks of the button, and it makes your life and your world a better place. All right. So thank you for watching this series. Of course, thank you for tuning in to day 13 on how to monetize, scale, and get paid to speak. Again, if you want access to Kajabi and be able to use this and walk through this, hey, simply go to monetizeyou.co/Kajabi, or go there, sign up, use the platform, like it and love it. And I'm going to throw in 3 amazing bonuses for you to do that. All right. So go to monetizeyou.co/Kajabi. And I look forward to seeing you on the other side as we go to watch these other videos. Now, by the way, if you want to go back and watch some of the previous videos, hey, up in this corner, you see the playlist of all of the current videos. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.